Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to achieve financial freedom. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, or just want to sleep better at night knowing your finances are secure, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's get real for a second. Before we can talk about financial freedom, we need to know where you stand financially right now. Think of it like this. You wouldn't hop in your car and start driving across the country without first checking the map, right? You need to know your starting point and your destination. The same goes for your finances. You need a clear roadmap. So, what does this mean? It means taking a hard, honest look at your income, your expenses, your debts, and your savings. First up, your income. How much money are you bringing in each month? Be precise and don't just give me the gross amount. Let's talk net income. The money you actually have left over after taxes and deductions. This is your real spending power. Next, we gotta dissect those expenses. And I'm not just talking about rent and groceries here. We're going deep, tracking every latte, every subscription service, every impulse buy. Every single dollar counts. This is where that budgeting app on your phone becomes your new best friend. Use it religiously. Now for the fun part, debt. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, list it all out, every single debt. We need to know exactly how much you owe and what interest rates you're dealing with. This will help prioritize your payments. Finally, let's talk about savings. Do you have an emergency fund? This is crucial for unexpected expenses. Are you contributing to a retirement account? Are you investing? These are key for long-term financial health. If you answered no to any of these questions, don't sweat it. We're going to cover all of that. It's never too late to start. Once you have a clear picture of your current financial situation, you can start making informed decisions that will lead you to financial freedom. It's all about taking that first step. Okay, now that we've ripped off the financial band-aid and assessed your current situation, it's time for the fun part: setting financial goals. This is where you get to dream big and envision the life you want to create for yourself. But here's the thing. A goal without a plan is just a wish. That's why we're going to use the SMART method for goal setting. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal is clear and well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," think about what that actually means to you. Maybe it's owning a vacation home in Bali, retiring early, or finally starting that business you've been dreaming of. Next up, measurable. You need to be able to track your progress and see how far you've come. So, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," get specific. How much money do you want to save? By when? Achievable is crucial. Your goals should be challenging, but they should also be realistic. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting goals that are impossible to reach. Start small, build momentum, and gradually increase your goals over time. Relevant means your goals should align with your values and aspirations. Don't chase someone else's definition of success. Focus on what truly matters to you. Finally, time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps you accountable. Deadlines help you stay on track and push you to achieve your goals within a set time frame. Remember, setting SMART financial goals is a powerful way to turn your dreams into reality. So, dream big, plan specifically, and watch your financial future unfold. Alright, let's talk about budgeting. I know it's not the sexiest word in the financial dictionary, but trust me, it's the foundation of financial freedom. Think of your budget as your financial roadmap. It helps you track your income, control your spending, and reach your financial goals faster. But here's the thing. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive or boring. It's not about depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about making conscious choices with your money and prioritizing what's truly important to you. There are tons of different budgeting methods out there, so find one that works for you and your lifestyle. You can try the 50-30-20 budget, the envelope system, or even a zero-based budget. The key is to track your spending and categorize where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start making adjustments. Are you spending way too much on takeout coffee? Maybe it's time to invest in a quality coffee maker and brew your own at home. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Even cutting back on a few expenses each month can free up extra cash that you can put towards your savings goals, investments, or even paying off debt faster. Step 4. Building your financial fortress, the emergency fund. Let's be real, life throws curveballs. Your car could break down, you could lose your job, or you could face an unexpected medical expense. That's where your emergency fund comes in. It's your financial safety net, your peace of mind, your "I've got this" fund. Think of your emergency fund as your financial fortress, protecting you from life's unexpected storms. So, how much should you have in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Now, I know that might sound like a lot of money, especially if you're just starting out, but remember, you don't have to build your emergency fund overnight. Start small, even if it's just setting aside $50 or $100 each month. Where should you keep your emergency fund? You want it to be easily accessible, so a high-yield savings account or a money market account is a good option. Building an emergency fund takes discipline, but it's one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Step 5. Slay the debt dragon. You've got this. Debt. It's the financial monster lurking under the bed, the weight holding you back from achieving your full financial potential. But here's the good news. You can slay the debt dragon and reclaim your financial freedom. The first step is to acknowledge the debt and understand how much you owe. Make a list of all your debts, including the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Next, it's time to prioritize. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit cards, as they can quickly snowball and eat away at your income. There are 2 popular methods for tackling debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. This will save you money in the long run. Whichever method you choose, the key is to be consistent and stay disciplined. Make more than the minimum payments whenever possible, even if it's just an extra $20 or $50. Step 6. Investing for the future. Watch your money grow. Alright, now that we've tackled the not-so-fun stuff like budgeting and paying off debt, let's talk about the exciting part: investing. This is where your money can truly start to work for you. Investing is one of the most powerful tools you have for building wealth and achieving long-term financial security. It's not just about saving money, it's about growing it. It's about putting your money to work for you, so it can grow over time. Think of it as planting seeds that will eventually grow into a bountiful harvest. The earlier you start investing, the better, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Starting early gives your investments more time to grow. Compound interest is essentially interest earned on interest, and it can have a snowball effect on your investments over time. This means your money can grow exponentially. But here's the thing. Investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. The jargon and the sheer number of options can be overwhelming. There are so many different investment options out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. Each has its own risks and rewards. Don't worry, we'll break it down. We'll guide you through the basics and help you understand what might work best for you. The key is to start with the basics and gradually expand your knowledge and portfolio as you become more comfortable. Education is crucial in making informed decisions. One of the easiest and most accessible ways to start investing is through a retirement account, such as a 401(k) or an IRA. These accounts are designed to help you save for the future. These accounts offer tax advantages and allow you to invest in a variety of assets, such as mutual funds and ETFs. This diversification can help manage risk. Another option is to invest in index funds, which are essentially baskets of stocks that track a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. This can be a simple way to diversify. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience and consistency are key to seeing your investments grow. Focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. This balance can help you weather market fluctuations and achieve your financial dreams. Step 7. Never stop learning. Financial education is key. Congratulations, you've made it to the final step on your journey to financial freedom: continuous learning. That's right, achieving financial freedom isn't a destination. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth. The financial world is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends, strategies, and investment opportunities. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve? There are tons of resources available to you both online and offline. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and follow financial experts you trust. By continuously educating yourself and staying informed, you'll be well on your way to achieving lasting financial freedom. Start your financial freedom journey today. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. See you in the next video.